Look at this beauty. Look at these birds. The colors. The movement. The feathers. Look at them. So small, dramatic and attractive. So full of life. These are the birds of paradise. Their beauty is incomparable to other creatures. And they live here, in the Yus area, which is a protected area on the Huon Peninsula, in the Morobe province of Papua New Guinea. Created in 2009, the Yus Conservation Area was the first of its kind in the country. Named after the three rivers flowing through it, Yapno, Urua, and Song. It covers 1,500 square kilometers of pristine habitat, accessible only by foot, and extends from mountainous peaks to coastal reefs. This place is home to all but 2 of the 41 birds of paradise species. In fact, the male Ragiana bird of paradise is on the flag and stamps of Papua New Guinea. Living comfortably in trees, these birds generally stay in the upper ranges of the forest canopy. While none of the birds of paradise are currently endangered, habitat destruction could pose a threat. And although they are famous for hiding from humans, doesn't mean they are safe from humans. Nowadays, deforestation and illegal hunting could lead to the extinction of their species. The conversion of forests to plantations and overlogging are the biggest challenge they face. The loss of habitat means fewer places for the birds to live and less to eat. Sometimes they come to areas where their exposure to humans is higher. You can guess what happens next. Why do they matter? They are one of the great wonders of the natural world. The bird of paradise species is important for preserving the planet and the Yus area. Preservation means the activity or process of keeping something valued alive, intact, or free from damage or decay. Let's take care of what is valuable of nature. Let's take care of paradise. Taking care of its birds, it's to love the birds of paradise.